Product is the core and cornerstone of a brand, and the key to building consumer trust. Oppolia always creates luxury and high-quality home for customers, and is therefore deeply favored by consumers worldwide. Today we arrive at Oppolia's production-based laboratory to show you firsthand the product quality of Oppolia. Our Formaldehyde-Purifying Green Panel uses formaldehyde-free basic materials. Its formaldehyde emission surpasses the highest ENF standard of China, and every single panel is repeatedly tested to ensure its quality and safety. For the 1 cubic meter climate testing method, first, we prepare a standard 500 by 500 millimeter sample panel, then place it in a formaldehyde balance chamber for 15 days of balance treatment. Next, we band the edges with formaldehyde-free aluminum tape, and place the sample in the 1 cubic meter chamber to rest overnight. Our expert is now preparing to collect the test gas. Once the gas sample is collected in solution, we first mix it thoroughly, then prepare 2 conical flasks, adding 10 milliliters of pure water and 10 milliliters of the test solution respectively, each followed by 10 milliliters of ammonium acetate and acetylacetone solution. Next, the prepared mixtures are placed in a constant temperature water tank. After 10 minutes of water bathing, they're cooled in the dark at room temperature for 60 minutes. Finally, 10 milliliters of the cooled test solution is transferred into a cuvette and analyzed in a spectrophotometer. Our formaldehyde emission test typically involves multiple samplings until the emission rate stabilizes. We then average the last 4 measurements for maximum accuracy. Alright, the results come out. The environmental grade of Oppolia's Formaldehyde-Purifying Green Panel far exceeds China E0 standard and surpasses the ENF standard. Oppolia's environmental performance is truly outstanding.